Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make two delicious ice cream flavors, classic vanilla and rich chocolate, using just a few simple ingredients, whipped cream and condensed milk. This recipe is perfect if you don't have an ice cream machine, and the best part, it's super creamy, easy and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, let's talk about our ingredients. For both flavors, you need whipped cream and condensed milk. These are the base of our ice cream. The whipped cream gives that light, fluffy texture, while the condensed milk adds sweetness and smoothness. For the vanilla ice cream, we'll use vanilla flavor, and for the chocolate ice cream, we'll use cocoa powder. Simple, right? Now, let's begin with the whipped cream. Make sure your whipped cream is very cold before you start. This is really important because cold cream whips better and faster. If you are using powdered whipping cream instead of liquid cream like in this video, don't worry, the process is still simple, but there is one important step you must not skip. First, you need to reconstitute the powdered cream. Pour your powdered whipping cream into a bowl. Then add very cold water or cold milk, depending on the instruction on your package. Always follow the exact ratio written on it, because adding too much or too little liquid can affect your final texture. Like in this video, we're using 2 cups of whipping cream and 4 cups of cold water, so the ratio is 1 to 2. Using cold liquid is very important here. Just like with regular cream, it helps the cream whip properly and gives you that thick, fluffy consistency. Pour your whipped cream into a clean bowl and start mixing. You can use a hand mixer or a whisk, depending on what you have. As you whisk, you'll notice that the cream gets thicker. Keep going until you reach what we call stiff peaks. This means that when you lift your whisk, the cream stands up and does not fall back down. This step is very important because it gives your ice cream that soft and airy texture. From this point, the process is exactly the same. An extra tip if you are using powdered cream: adding a small amount of vanilla flavor even to the base mixture can improve the overall taste, since powdered cream sometimes has a lighter flavor than fresh cream. Once your whipped cream is ready, it's time to add the condensed milk. Pour the condensed milk into the whipped cream slowly. Don't just dump it all at once, add it gradually and then fold it in. In this video, we are using 2 cups of condensed milk for the sweetness and smoothness. When we say fold, we don't mean stirring aggressively. Using a spatula and gently mix in circular motion. This helps keep the air in the whipped cream so your ice cream stays fluffy. Keep folding until everything is well combined and smooth. Now we're going to divide the mixture into 2 parts, one for vanilla and one for chocolate. Take half of your mixture and set it aside in another bowl. Let's start with the vanilla ice cream. Add a small amount of vanilla flavor into the first bowl. You don't need too much, just enough to give it that sweet, classic aroma. So we're using half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Gently fold it until the flavor is evenly mixed. And just like that, your vanilla ice cream base is ready. Now let's move to the chocolate ice cream. In the second bowl, you won't add vanilla flavor, you add cocoa powder. It's best to sieve the cocoa powder before adding it. This helps remove lumps and makes your ice cream smoother. For the vanilla ice cream, we're going to transfer it into a clean bowl and then put it into the freezer for 6 to 8 hours preferably. Make sure to cover the container tightly. This helps to prevent ice crystals forming and keeps your ice cream fresh. Then we'll place it in the freezer and leave it for like 6 to 8 hours like I said. But overnight is even better. It allows the ice cream to fully develop and set for a perfect texture. After freezing, you can now take it out. Then, for the chocolate ice cream, we'll take the second bowl and add cocoa powder. It's best to sieve the cocoa powder before adding it. This helps to remove lumps and make your ice cream smoother. After adding the cocoa powder, gently fold it into the mixture until the color becomes rich and evenly blended. Like I said before, when we say fold, we don't mean stirring aggressively. Just use a spatula to gently mix it in a circular motion. We continue folding until the flavors are evenly mixed, or the cocoa powder is evenly mixed. Now that both mixtures are ready, it's time to transfer them into containers. You can use any freezer-safe container. Pour the vanilla mixture into one container and the chocolate into another. Then use spatula to spread the mixture evenly and smooth the top. If you want, you can get creative here. You can swirl both flavors together to make a vanilla chocolate mix, and add toppings like chocolate chips or biscuits. So in this video, we're pairing our ice cream with meat pie. Once everything is set, cover the container tightly to prevent ice crystals. Then after freezing, your ice cream is ready. So we've taken ours out of the freezer and then let it sit for a few minutes. Then we scooped it and then we enjoyed it. And there you have it. Creamy, delicious homemade vanilla and chocolate ice cream. There are a few quick tips before we finish. Always use cold whipped cream for the best results. Don't overmix after adding condensed milk. Be gentle. Sieve your cocoa powder to avoid lumps. And make sure your container is properly sealed before freezing. Making ice cream at home is not only fun, but always allows you to control the ingredients and flavor. You can experiment with different variations and create your own unique recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!
Thank God that you love it. I'm happy that you love it. Okay. Please don't forget to like once again, comment, subscribe, and share with your loved one. Yeah, say cheese.
Cheese!